Did you know there are two powerful ways to make a phone call while your iPhone is locked? One of them is simple and everyone knows it, but the second one, almost nobody is using it. And it can literally save you seconds in an emergency. Let me show you both. The first way is the easiest one, using Siri. When your iPhone is locked, just say, "Hey Siri, call home," or call dad, or any contact you want. And that's it. Siri will start the call instantly. But there is something very important. Sometimes Siri doesn't work when your iPhone is locked. So make sure this setting is enabled. Go to the settings, tap Face ID and passcode, scroll down to allow access when locked. Make sure Siri is turned on. If this is off, Siri won't respond while your iPhone is locked. That's the first way. Now let me show you the smarter one. This one is much more powerful. We're going to create a shortcut that calls someone instantly and place it directly on the lock screen. Open the Shortcuts app. It comes pre-installed on iPhone. If you deleted it, just download it again from the App Store. Now, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, then tap Add Action. Search for Call, choose Call. Now tap on Contact, select the person you want to call. For example, I'll choose Home. Now tap the small arrow at the top, rename it if you want, choose an icon, customize it however you like. Then tap Done. Now tap the Share button. Choose Add to Home Screen. This is optional, but nice to have. Now the shortcut is ready. Now let's put it on the lock screen. Go to your lock screen, tap and hold, tap Customize. Now tap Add Widgets. Scroll and choose Shortcuts. Add the shortcut you just created. Done. Now, whenever you tap that shortcut on the lock screen, Face ID will recognize you and immediately make the call, even though your iPhone was locked. Even if you don't have Face ID, fingerprint works as well. You can make it even faster. Instead of the flashlight or camera button at the bottom of the lock screen, tap and hold the lock screen, tap Customize, then tap the bottom left or right icon. Remove flashlight, for example, choose Shortcut. Select your call shortcut, then Done. Now, when your phone is locked, just tap and hold that button and it will instantly call that person super fast. This is extremely helpful for parents who need to call their kids quickly, for emergencies, for elderly family members, for someone you call every single day, or even for your spouse. Instead of unlocking your phone, finding contacts, and searching, it's just one tap away. Fast, simple, and smart. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more powerful iPhone tips. And tell me in the comments, who would you add to your lock screen? I'll see you in the next one.